Arena, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love.
Dude, I guess. Oh my God.
So, I'm thinking I make it basically a full ass another this thing, but I go this way, right?
On this path here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then,
Through these trees would be dope.
yeah.
Here's all
Like
that.
I was thinking maybe like a berm thing kind of here.
Yeah.
Like so we just kind of
like one berm and then the other berm.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And then we come here and there's another one to the right.
Yeah.
And then we go up here instead of coming like straight up. Like I come up at an angle kind of thing. I don't know.
Phase 1 of our 6-phase plan here. The OG step up is over here, go down, and then the big one, you know, how you see in the big circle. So now the plan is come down around there, through here, and then build a booter of this up to right here. And so, I mean, the hill's decent sized, and that's a ways. You can see where Nolan's at down there. And then we'll show you what we're gonna do later. You guys will see the rest as we keep going. It's fucking freezing out here today. Come around that, haul balls.
Oh, fucking.
Nolan's gonna dig into this.
I'm gonna try and make a massive jump so we land up there by those pine trees and then kind of make a track over to the big step down.
Boys, the sun came out, Jet showed up. We got a plan all figured out. Me and Jet were just talking. This looks way bigger from up here than it did when we were at the bottom. So we'll see. No one was saying something about a backflip jump this week too. I don't know what that was all about.
Yeah.
So we said I'm building a jump that we can backflip. All right. I mean, I
We could do it.
don't want to backflip my dirt bike
That's another
personally.
reason I kind of want to get to see if we can get a pit bike.
Yeah, I would backflip a pit bike for sure.
I feel like a pit bike would be easier to backflip, right?
Yeah, I don't want to backflip the 450.
Right.
Mine especially. So I haven't even really crashed mine yet. All right, Nolan did some improvements. Hey, you could make this. Buddy, you got leaves all over you.
You drove me through the fucking woods, man.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. This is sick. Nice, dude. Day 2. Tyler made it. Tyler made it last night. Jet got in the fireball again. Jet got into the fireball again. Things got weird. See, he made it. Got some fresh gear.
Sir? Yeah. Just dripped out.
Yeah. Tyler has to have a new drib every time he rides.
Alright, this is shit I built yesterday. Not really completely done, but she's rideable for the most part. This is gonna be a berm eventually. I kind of fucked it up and made it work today, but I'm gonna try to build one here as well. Big step up, freak the fuck out of me. Big old step up. Around here, little step down. Oh, get into the tree. Yes, sir. That fucking hurt. We're good though. A little over the forest jump here. off this thing. This thing's gonna be, if we can get over that, it'll be dope, but it's huge. It's fucking massive. Big step down. Oh yeah, that's fucking massive. Alright, get up there, Drew. You did? Apparently he's getting some fucking serious air out of this. This thing's such a fun jump. Over all these trees. Alright, here he comes. God damn. So, holy shit! Your back wheel was like right up over there, bro.
Boys out here now. Tyler's getting a little semi. I hear he's jumping it. Oh! Alright, we're all going down to the woods.
Where's Tyler? Was he behind us?
Yeah.
Did he make it on that curvy hill? Took me out. Did you do first? It's a horrible run and we gotta clear some trees there.
Is it bad?
Well, it's just you can't get any speed, so right where it is now you can go.
Should I be worried?
More gas, no. Get away from it!
Don't worry, we'll save you. I'm here, you can let it roll. This bitch is steep. Hold on, let's go this way with the ass end. That's so steep.
She's thick, and you don't get any type of run up.
Alright. Hell yeah. Oh, oh. God damn it. Oh, hell yeah.
Look this thing, let's jump!